In a small, crowded city where dreams were common but discipline was rare, lived a young man named Arav. Arav wasn't special. No rich family. No powerful connections. No extraordinary talent. Just a small rented room, a broken chair, and a phone full of dreams. Every day, Arav watched people talk about freedom. Freedom means money. Freedom means traveling. Freedom means no boss. Freedom means doing what you want. Everyone wanted freedom, but no one wanted discipline. Arav was no different at first. He dreamed of success, but slept late. He talked about goals, but avoided hard work. He imagined a better life, but repeated the same routine every day, until one night changed everything. One evening, Arav sat on the terrace of his building, watching the city lights, cars passing, people rushing, lives moving forward. He whispered to himself, "Why does my life feel stuck?" Then his phone buzzed. It was a message from his old school friend, Rohan. "Bro, I just got my first house." Hard work finally paid off. Arav smiled, but his chest felt heavy. Not because of jealousy, because of truth. Rohan wasn't smarter. Rohan wasn't richer. Rohan wasn't more talented. He was just more disciplined. That night, Arav didn't sleep. He realized something powerful. Freedom is not given. Freedom is earned. And discipline is the price. The next morning, Arav made a promise to himself. No more motivation without action. No more dreams without discipline. No more excuses. He didn't make big announcements. He didn't post on social media. He didn't tell anyone. He just started. He woke up at 5 a.m. Not because it felt good, but because discipline doesn't care about feelings. He studied when he was tired, worked when he was bored, practiced when he felt lazy, learned when others were scrolling. While the world searched for comfort, Arav chose discomfort. While others wanted shortcuts, Arav chose consistency. While people chased motivation, Arav built habits. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. Months turned into years. No viral success. No overnight miracle. No sudden fame. Just silent progress. There were days he wanted to quit. Days when results didn't show. Days when nothing worked. Days when failure felt louder than hope. Sometimes he questioned himself, is this even worth it? But then he remembered, discipline is not about results. It's about identity. He wasn't chasing success anymore. He was becoming someone who deserved it. One day, opportunity knocked. Not loudly, not dramatically, quietly. A small chance, a simple opportunity, a door barely open. But Arav was ready. Because discipline prepares you. Before success arrives, he took it. Then another chance came. Then another. Then another. Slowly, his life changed. Income grew. Confidence grew. Skills grew. Respect grew. Not because of luck. Because of discipline. Years later, Arav sat in his own office. Quiet. Peaceful. Free. Not just financially, but mentally. No fear of survival. No fear of failure. No fear of dependency. And he realized something powerful. Freedom is not waking up late. Freedom is not traveling. Freedom is not money alone. Real freedom is choosing your life, controlling your time, living without fear, standing on your own feet, not begging the world for security. And all of it came from one source: discipline. Freedom isn't free. It is paid for with early mornings, late nights, sacrifice, consistency, patience, pain, discipline. While others search for comfort, you must build control. While others escape effort, you must embrace struggle. Because in the end, discipline feels hard at first, but regret feels harder forever. And remember, you don't earn freedom by wishing for it. You earn it by becoming disciplined enough to deserve it.